Hello, and I heartily welcome you to Math Simplified by HM. Welcome to Quadratics. Have you ever wondered if different methods in algebra really lead to the same answer? Today, we are proving that consistency by solving 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0 using three different methods. Please click the bell icon, subscribe and share the channel with your well-wishers to support this journey of simplifying math. First, let us use the factorization method. We need to split the middle term. Comparing to a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 implies a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 8. Product of a and c gives 5 into 8 is equal to 40, and factors of 40 that add up to b is equal to 13 are exactly 5 and 8. So we write our equation 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0 as 5x square plus 5x plus 8x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now look at the equation. The first two terms have a common factor 5x and last two terms have a common factor 8. We will take them out. So we will get 5x into bracket x plus 1 plus 8 into bracket x plus 1 is equal to 0. Again, x plus 1 is the common factor. So we will take x plus 1 common. We will write our equation in bracket 5x plus 8 into another bracket x plus 1 is equal to 0. Setting each bracket to 0, we find our roots are x is equal to minus 8 upon 5 or x is equal to minus 1. Completing the square. Our equation is 5x square plus 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. Comparing to a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 8. First, change coefficient of x square a is equal to 5 to 1 by dividing each term of equation by 5. So we get x square plus 13 upon 5x plus 8 upon 5 is equal to 0, which implies that x square plus 13 upon 5x is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Why? We shift constant term to the right of the equation in completing the square method. Now, coefficient of x is 13 upon 5. Divided by 2, it gives us 13 upon 10. Now add its square to both sides. So we get x square plus 13 upon 5x plus in bracket 13 upon 10 bracket square is equal to minus 8 upon 5 plus 169 upon 100. Now left hand side is a perfect square of x plus 13 upon 10 bracket square, and simplifying right hand side we get minus 160 plus 169 upon 100. Again further simplifying we get 9 upon 100. Now take the square root of both sides. We get x plus 13 upon 10 is equal to plus or minus 3 upon 10. Now if we use plus path, we get x is equal to minus 1, and if we use minus path, we get x is equal to minus 8 upon 5. For our third and final act, quadratic formula. The quadratic formula gives the solution in standard form x is equal to minus b plus or minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Comparing to x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 8. Putting these values in this equation, we get x is equal to minus 13 plus or minus under square root 13 square minus 4 into 5 into 8 upon 2 into 5. Simplifying, we get x is equal to minus 13 plus or minus under square root 169 minus 160 upon 10. Further simplifying, it gives us x is equal to minus 13 plus or minus square root 9 upon 10. So, final x is equal to minus 13 plus or minus 3 upon 10. Now, if we use minus path, we get x is equal to minus 8 upon 5, and when we use plus path, we get x is equal to minus 1. As we have shown today, factorization, completing the square, and quadratic formula all lead to the same roots, that is x is equal to minus 8 upon 5 and x is equal to minus 1. As we head into the Thanksgiving break, remember that perfect practice makes perfect. Just as a harvest requires time, patience, and the right tools, so does mastering math. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving, everyone. Please like, share this video, click the bell icon, and subscribe for more.